Thanks to CrowdCow for sponsoring today's video.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. I wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. Hope everyone had a great time a couple of days ago. Hope you had a lot of turkey. We were asked to do this sponsored video, and we agreed to. They only wanted 60 seconds, but when we saw what they had inside, I'll tell you what, we had to do a lot more. Let's take a look at this product here. CrowdCow. If you guys don't know, you guys can order their products online, get it shipped to you. Let's show everyone what we have in here.
A5 Wagyu.
Okay, very good.
Sliced on. Like Kalbi style.
Yeah, short ribs. Oh, wow.
Yeah, these two here.
Let me tell you what, these products are amazing. Of course, it comes frozen already.
All you have to do is go to the website crowdcow.com, enter your zip code, and then find out exactly where your meat is coming from. With us, we got the Kagoshima Farms filet mignon. We also got the short ribs from Lone Star Purebred Wagyu. And this is what it looks like on CrowdCow. New members can get $100 of free meat and free shipping if you sign up with crowdcow.com/Hiroyuki Terada. CrowdCow is a marketplace for high quality meats that creates a meaningful connection between the farmer and the customer, so people can know and appreciate exactly where the food comes from and get high quality meat and seafood that tastes better and is better for them and their family.
Keep on the plate.
Marbling looks really good, Hiro.
Yeah, looks very good.
Right?
Yes.
Not too fatty, I think, just the right amount.
Right.
Sometimes we get them too fatty and it's almost hard to eat because it's too rich.
Yeah.
So we have the Bincho-tan from our previous episode doing the teriyaki with Jack Daniel's sauce that Hiro made. You guys probably saw the video. And this Bincho-tan's actually been left outside back here in the yard, and I just let it dry out, let the water evaporate. Down inside the center there, you guys can probably see that's fire starter. Basically, it's got a little wax on it, and that's gonna hopefully help this Bincho-tan light up and stay hot. But this is an experiment for us. I don't know, I haven't used it since what, like a month ago, Hiro? So we'll have to see. Got a trusty sous vide gun. You guys can look at the description box for more details on this. Save some money when you order it. Hiro-san, let's fire this baby up.
Okay.
So powerful. Can't wait to use it. Think it's lit, Hiro?
Yeah, I think it's on.
Okay, it's on. Let's see.
Just keep it like that.
Okay, be back in a few minutes and check it out. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Looks like
looks
working,
good.
huh?
Yeah.
So when these things were done, I used water, doused them all out to put out the fire. It's been back here for about 2 months. Incredible. All right, Hiro-san, we brought it back to life. Now, what's the next step? I know you're gonna make some sauce.
Before I start cook beef, I'm gonna make a sauce.
Okay.
Today's a rolled sushi, a dipping sauce. Instead of a soy sauce, I'm gonna do ponzu mayo.
Okay.
With a little bit of spice, wasabi included.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, let's do that. First thing is mayonnaise here, and the a little bit of wasabi. And then I'm gonna add the ponzu sauce little by little. Okay, this is today's dipping sauce.
Okay.
Ponzu mayo. Okay, so now we are going to cook this short rib. First, I'm gonna do the seasoning.
What's very important also is every box is recyclable and compostable, and every order is 100% carbon neutral from the field to your doorstep. You can also become a member for free and save an extra 5% off everything you put into your shopping cart. This promotion is extremely limited, so act fast.
Look at this. Beautiful.
Wow. So, the Bincho 10 is actually working, Hiro?
Yeah.
After all these months, huh?
New members can get $100 of free meat plus free shipping if you sign up and use order with Hiro's link at crowdcow.com/Hiroyuki Terada.
Oh, once you put that garlic butter on, Hiro, comes to life.
Yeah, you can smell, right?
I can smell it. It smells so good.
Hey, it looks good to me. You know. All right. Next step, I'm gonna start rolling up, but before I'm gonna take off this bone. Actually, this meat is very good, tasty.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna save it for you. That's good. This is a greater part, the bone. Today I'm going to use the whole feet, inside out.
Be a pretty big roll.
Yeah, I just make sure that enough to tie it up, you know. Today's a beef and kind of juicy, so. Okay, that's good. Okay, the beef.
Wow.
Okay, and then what I'll do a scallion.
This is kind of like a beef negimaki roll, huh, Hiro?
Yes.
Definitely.
That's how kind of idea come from, you know.
Right.
Okay. Now I'm going to put the meats. Another Wagyu beef.
look at that roll here. Incredible.
Yep, beautiful. Okay, next one, the sesame oil.
Gonna use, of course, the sous vide gun again.
Sous vide gun for torch. Usually I do use a little one, right?
Use a smaller
But
one.
today I'm gonna make a big roll for big gun.
Okay. That was it?
That's it. Very quick.
Wow. That thing is too powerful, huh?
Yeah, it's very powerful. Even
Just
I
a touch.
burn out on my cutting board.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Okay, and now a little bit of salt. And next one is sashimi powder.
Oh, I love
Just
this
a little
powder
bit.
here. A little bit of a kick. Okay.
Little
Fried onion, huh?
fried onion, yeah.
Little texture contrast.
Yeah, that's
very,
it.
very nice. What a beautiful roll. Hiro-san, amazing.
Yep.
Thank you to Crowd Cow again. You guys check out the information down below and on the screen for your discounts. You guys won't be sorry. Can't wait to try this. Hiro-san,
Hey,
see you soon. Thank you
very much.
Hiro-san, to
Hey.
the best part of all
Best of part.
again.
Yes,
Tasting part.
yes, and I have a special guest.
A special guest. Who would that be? Hey, Michaela. How are you?
I'm good.
You ready for this amazing tasting?
Yes.
You love beef? All right. She's been in some of the videos before. This is my daughter, by the way. Okay. All right, Hiro-san, you guys
Yes.
start.
Okay,
Mimi, grab a piece.
I go with the.
Wow, look at that. Look inside there. Take a look at that.
A lot of meat.
That is amazing, right? Okay, Hiro-san,
Ready?
enjoy.
Okay.
Itadakimasu. Just use your fingers, honey. That's okay. Big bite. Here, how's it? Good? You recommend? Highly recommend?
Yeah.
And Shuki, what do you think? Good? Thumbs up? All right. Nice, nice. And you know what? I'm going to try one too. Gonna give a small piece here. I can just imagine now, because of course the scallions here are done on a grill. Of course the beef, the short, so much flavor. Let me try.
I'm gonna try out the sauce.
That is good. How's it? Okay. Right, there you have
Very
it.
good.
Thank you so much. Ballerina approved. All right, we'll see you soon. Thank you so much.
Ballerina pose.
Let's see.
Oh!
Wow. Hiro-san, you can't do that?
No, I do like this. Kung Fu.
That's, what do you call that? Karate Kid.
Yeah.
The crane. All right. See you guys later.
Thank you so much to Crowd Cow for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys check them out at crowdcow.com/Hiroyuki Terada and start enjoying some amazing meat.